It has been a journey trying to grow my hair with herbal ingredients. I can attest to the fact that herbal ingredients made my hair what you see on your screen right now. My hair is so thick, it is so healthy, and it is long. Just the other day, I tried doing a length check and I realized that my hair has gotten to tailbone length. I kid you not, tailbone length, just with consistency in using herbal ingredients. I have been preaching this on this channel since 3 years and counting, and some of you feel that is the joke. Everything I show you on this channel is what I use in my hair. If I can showcase it on this channel, just know that I use it on my hair. But some of you come to the comment section thinking my hair is favored by genetics. So many of you can also attest to the fact that herbal ingredients work. I know this because I read my comments. I am here again today to show you another mind-blowing hair treatment that you should try for your hair. To begin, place your pot on fire and then pour about 250 ml worth of water to it and then start boiling. My first ingredient is ginger. Ginger helps improve the circulation of the scalp while also stimulating each hair follicle, which in turn promotes longer, stronger hair. The many vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids in ginger also contribute to strengthening your hair strands, to combat hair loss, and ginger contributes to restoring moisture loss. For my second ingredient, I have fresh rosemary leaves. Rosemary helps block the DTH hormone, that is dihydrotestosterone hormone, which is responsible for shrinking hair follicle and stopping hair growth. Rosemary also contains carnosic acid, which can stimulate blood circulation to the hair follicles, boost cell turnover, and repair tissue damage. Rosemary boasts anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which can help cleanse your hair and scalp. For my next ingredient, I have mint leaves. Mint leaves is a great source of keratin and antioxidants that promote hair growth and prevent hair fall. The potent antimicrobial and antifungal properties of mint leaves used to ward off dandruff, head lice, and etc. All I did was just to prep my ingredients, and once the water starts boiling, I started pouring them one after the other, starting with the ginger, and then next rosemary, and then next my mint leaves. Next, I started to combine all the ingredients, covered my pot, and then allow this to boil for like 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, turn off your heat and allow this to continue steeping in water until it has cooled down completely and you are ready to strain this. So this is after 15 minutes mark. I turned off my heat and then allow this to steep for more hours before I began straining. That is the straining process, whereby I use my beaker and then my strainer to collect my hair thin. Next, I transfer to my spray bottle with the help of a funnel. Next, I added my essential oil in rosemary in 5 drops. Please, if you don't have rosemary, you can use any other essential oil you have around you. This tea is ready. This tea stops hair fall, it stops shedding and breakage, it helps with hair thickening, it helps with split ends, and also it helps regrow your bald spots. All you need to do is to spray this from your scalp to your hair tips with a gentle massage. If you're using this as a leave-in treatment, please do not forget to follow up with a leave-in conditioner and then seal with your hair growth oil or hair butter or hair grease. Do not spray this and leave it in without applying some moisturizers, else this will dry out your hair and you will not like the result afterwards. In order for your hair to remain soft and moisturized, follow up with your leave-in conditioner and seal with oil. This treatment is very potent. You guys can attest to the fact that ginger, rosemary, and mint are amazing ingredients. If you're in doubt, do your research. They help with hair growth. They do so many amazing things to the hair, and you can't regret using that. For storage, store in your refrigerator for only 5 days. The reason why I always opt for 5 days, or I always tell you guys to leave it for 5 days, is because it loses its potency after 5 days, even while it's in your refrigerator. Just so you know, microorganisms can actually penetrate and thrive in your refrigerator. No matter how cold that place is, they can still penetrate and thrive, thereby making these ingredients less potent. So if you want it to be more effective, use within 5 days. And if you cannot use within 5 days and you don't want to waste this, opt for preservatives. You can add Gemol Plus as your preservatives after making this. Do not add it when the product is hot. Allow the product to cool down completely before you can add your preservatives. For children, some of you asked me whether they can use it on their 6 months old children or 3 months old children. The ideal age for using herbal products on kids is from 2 years. Please do not start using these herbal ingredients for your kids. Remember, their skin is very sensitive. Their scalp is also very sensitive. If this pulls on their skin, they can react to it. If it also affects, it can also affect their scalp because they are just very fragile. They are still growing. So avoid using it on your kids. Instead, opt for store-bought products made for kids, because these store-bought products are made with their sensitive skin in mind, and then they formulate it with the pH of the skin and scalp in mind as well. So if your hair is shedding excessively, I encourage you to use this product. And if you're leaving it in, remember to use your leave-in conditioner. That brings me to the end of today's video. That's my leave-in conditioner actually. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on my next one shortly. Remember to give us a like. Bye.